How to stop TikTok from notifying you when friends like our comments. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. Like when your friend commented on your another friend take our video, you get notification like this type of notification. So how you guys can turn off that. So for that, simply open TikTok app. Here you guys will see on down right side profile. Simply click on profile. Once we click here you guys will see on top right corner three lines. Simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will see settings and privacy. So simply click on settings and privacy. Once we click here you guys will see notifications. So simply click on notifications. Once we click here you guys will see in-app notifications, put notifications. But you simply scroll here, you guys can see posts you interacted with. So it will be turned on your phone, so you guys will simply turn off, because it says get notified when your friends, followers who you follow back comment on another friend's post you liked or commented on. So when that turn off, that's it. After that you will not receive any other notification from TikTok when your friend or any other person commented on your friend photo etc. Thanks for watching.